The year 2026 has become the graveyard of traditional careers. Every day, we hear about another industry being disrupted, another 1,000 layoffs, another AI model that can do in seconds what took us years to master. It feels like we are standing on a shrinking island, surrounded by a rising tide of silicon and code. But here is the truth that the headlines aren't telling you. While AI is winning the race of intelligence, it hasn't even started the race of humanity. The machines can calculate, but they cannot feel. They can predict, but they cannot care. There is a massive humanity gap opening up in the global economy, and those who know how to fill it will not just survive, they will become the most valuable assets on the planet. Today, we aren't talking about how to compete with AI. We are talking about how to move to a league where AI can't even play. These are the 5 skills that are officially fitted. If you have these, you are untouchable. The first skill is something we've taken for granted for centuries: empathy. Skill number 2 is moving from being a doer to an orchestrator. Here is something AI will never have: a moral compass. Ironically, the high-tech revolution has made the high-tech world more valuable. Finally, the most powerful skill of all: storytelling. We are not entering the end of work. We are entering the human renaissance. The great decoupling we talked about in our last video is only a threat if you stay stagnant. If you lean into your humanity, if you master empathy, orchestration, ethics, craftsmanship, and storytelling, you won't just survive the AI revolution, you will lead it. The machines are here to take the work out of our lives, so we can focus on the art of our lives. Don't be afraid of the silicon. Be proud of the soul. If you're ready to build these skills, stay tuned for our next episode, where we dive into the specific tools you can use to start today. Subscribe to join the 1% who are ready for 2026. My name is The Wealth Blueprint, and the future is yours to build.